Alright, I cleaned it as best I could here for this part here. So I got it all pretty clean in there, so I'm just going to blow a little bit of air just to kind of get rid of some stuff. I put the bolts in so nothing gets into the bolts, so when I screw it back in I don't have a problem. Some of this stuff a corner. But remember, when I take the towels out, I gotta be really careful too. That looks pretty clean though, eh? Not bad, I guess. I hope so. Alright. A couple little spots there. Cleaned it all up, scraped it out. Had to be very careful because this stuff's really soft, right? This aluminum scratches real easy. So, yeah, so the bolts are in there, so nothing falls, no debris falls in there. But it's pretty hard to get it on too when you're trying to do this though too. So yeah, that part's hopefully okay. Now I'm gonna clean all this off right here. So I will get back. So let me see here, I need a little hook. I'm going to take these out. These are originals too, I bet you. You know? Oh, drop one down there. It's right there. I'll have to get that out. I guess it's time for a new glove too, eh? Sometimes it's hard to do stuff. You want to make sure you clean those out too before you put your other gasket in. I need some better light though. But make do with what I got. Alright. So I'm going to spray that stuff out too, put a different glove on. So I'm just going to do what I did like I did on the bottom there. I'm just going to spray some carb cleaner and stuff in there. Move the light away. Oh, of course the straw blows off. Damn.